Powered appointments also have the ability to track time. So if you charge maybe by the hour or by the day, you or your staff can open up the appointments and they can press the start time. So what this is actually doing is it's recording all the information about how long you're at site onto the project timeline. You can just see over here on the mobile version it's gone blue. That means that is currently being checked into. But if I hop back into the project, oops, sorry, I was in the project. When you check out, it will put the information about the amount of time that was spent onto the timeline. I'm going to keep the check-in going whilst I'm doing the rest of the demo, so you can see how that operates. Let's go back to the diary, and maybe what I want to do is have a quick look at the agenda. There we go. You can see that's been thrown on. The description is site survey. It's for this project and it's for that customer. So there we go. Let's open it back up and let's finish that check-in. I didn't leave it running long enough, but if I had, you'd see there'd be some more time there. Now on the project, and let's go and do that over the mobile just to show you something slightly different. There you can see a time log has been recorded. And maybe we got it wrong. There we go. So the diary is an incredibly powerful way of keeping track of your appointments and your reminders, but also you can keep on top of your staff. And that's the next part of the video I'm going to talk about, setting up your team within Powered Now.